Little Rebel Sewing and Quilting Machine Review. Real stitches from a real quilter. Not sponsored.
Remember that stack of finished tops staring at you like they know you'll never quilt them? I had 12. One day I actually apologized to a quilt top out loud. And if you've ever felt guilty for making beautiful tops and then abandoning them, comment "guilty" below, because I see you and I've been you. Then comes that night you promise yourself, "This weekend I'll finally quilt it." And suddenly it's Sunday evening, you're exhausted, your shoulders are screaming, and your stitches look like a drunk toddler drove the machine. That tight, heavy feeling in your chest when yet another UFO gets folded away is all too real. So what if finishing a quilt actually felt like play instead of punishment? That's the exact moment the Little Rebel sewing and quilting machine with built-in stitch regulation walks in and changes everything. It's the only sit-down machine that gives you real long-arm stitch regulation in a body small enough to sit on your dining table. You move the machine, not the quilt, with a 13-inch throat that swallows bulky king batting like it's nothing, stitch regulation that keeps every stitch identical whether you're crawling or flying at 1,600 stitches per minute, cruise mode that literally drives for you while you doodle feathers, and bright LED throat lights that make 10 p.m. look like noon. Add the Cutie frame, and suddenly your spare bedroom is a legit quilting studio. Last month, my friend Sarah texted me at midnight saying, "I'm on the last row of a queen and I'm not even crying." She sent a video. Perfect feathers, 0 ripouts. The same woman who used to pay $250 to send quilts out. Tell me that's not witchcraft. And real quilters are absolutely losing their minds over this thing. A handy quilter educator told me, "I've taught hundreds. Nobody rips out stitches on the Little Rebel after week 2. An influencer with 120,000 followers said she finished more quilts in 1 year than the previous 5 combined. One shop owner ran durability tests and said stitch length stayed within 0.5 millimeters across speed changes, calling it full long-arm territory. A charity quilter told me she went from 4 quilts a year to 42 without shoulder pain. I've personally watched beginners go from terrified stippling to confident feathers in 6 weeks because the machine refuses to let them fail. Some people worry the Cutie frame is too small until they realize they're actually finishing quilts instead of dreaming about them. And the ones who said, "I'll just keep using my domestic," are the same people messaging me 6 months later saying, "I sold it. I never touch it anymore." See why thousands of former UFO makers can't stop talking about this? So join the quilters who went from "I'll finish someday" to "look what I finished this weekend" without moving to a bigger house or spending 5 figures. The Little Rebel with built-in stitch regulation and the Cutie tabletop frame is quietly turning quilt tops into finished quilts every single day. And if you're ready to stop feeling guilty every time you walk past that stack, click the link in the description, the first one, pinned. Come see why so many of us call it the best quilting decision we ever made. Your future finished quilts are waiting.